Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of c if we have c minus 3 is equals to c and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here the reason of solving this problem for first method is that if in your exam the question statement is that you need to find the value of c or you need to find the roots of this equation, so the answer of this type of question is our method number one. But if your question statement is that you just determine the solution of this equation or just you check that is this equation has solution or not, so then you can just do our method number two directly. Okay, but both of the two methods are valid for this solution. And now here we move towards our first method, and in the first method we need to take squaring on both of the sides of this equation. And when we apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as c minus 3 whole square is equals to c square. And further in the next step we need to apply here the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side, and you know about that. If we have a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square, and you see here this is our a and this is our b. So according to these values of a and b, we can write here the left hand side of above equation as first you have a square, the value of a is c square minus 2 times of ab, the value of a is c and the value of b is 3, and plus this is b square, the value of b is 3 square is equals to c square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is c square minus 2 times 3 becomes here 6c plus this is 3 square, and 3 square becomes here 9, and we move this c square from right hand side to the left hand side and it will becomes minus c square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus c square, this is plus c square are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here this is minus 6c plus 9 is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to find the values of this c. So for the values of c, first we need to move here this plus 9 to the right hand side, and it will becomes minus 6c is equals to minus 9. And for the values of c we need to remove this minus 6 from left hand side, and for this we divide both of the sides by minus 6. So when we divide both of the sides by minus 6, it will be written as minus 6c divided by minus 6 is equals to minus 9 is divided by minus 6. And now you see here this minus 6 is cancelled out by this minus 6, and we get the remaining values are in the left hand side we get c, and in the right hand side we get this minus is cancelled out by this minus, and we get here we need to cancel both of these two values of the table of 3, and you get 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So we get the value of c is equals to 3 divided by 2. So this is the value of c which we get here. And further in the next step here we need to verify that is this value of c be the solution of given equation or this value of c is extraneous root. For this we need to verify this value of c. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is c minus 3 is equals to c. This is the our given question statement. And in the next step we need to just put this value of c on both of the sides, and it will be written as this is 3 divided by 2 minus 3 is equals to 3 divided by 2. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications in the left hand side, so that here we need to take LCM of left hand side, and it will be written as here the LCM of this term is 2, Then we get here, this is 3 minus 2 times 3 becomes here 6 is equals to 3 divided by 2. And here we obtain 3 minus 6 becomes minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 3 divided by 2. And now here in the next step, you see here these two values are not equal, because in the left hand side is negative value, in the right hand side is positive value. So these two values are not equal, or in other words, we just say that it is not possible that the negative value is equals to positive value. So if this is not possible, it means that the value of c is equals to 3 over 2 is not satisfied our given question statement. So if this is not satisfied, it means that c is equals to 3 over 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. So we cannot get any other value of c which is satisfied our given question statement. So we conclude about that this question has no solution in general. Okay, so here in the next step we again solve this problem for second method. So in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is c minus 3 is equals to c. This is our given question statement, and here in this method we need to move this c to the right hand side, and it will be written as minus 3 is equals to c minus c. And you see here we get minus 3 is equals to c minus c becomes 0. So again you see that minus 3 is not equals to 0. So or in other word, we just say that it is not possible case. So if this is not possible, this means that we cannot get any value of c which is satisfied over this given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final conclusion of this problem, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.